This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change Honda Civic brakes. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a jack stands, a lug wrench, and appropriate sockets. Safety is paramount, so always lift your vehicle securely and place jack stands under the frame. Once the car is safely supported, use your lug wrench to remove the lug nuts, then carefully take off the wheel to expose the brake components. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth process. Now that the wheel is off, we can begin disassembling the old brake system. Locate and remove the two 12mm caliper guide pin bolts. Once these are out, gently slide the entire brake caliper assembly off the rotor and hang it securely, avoiding tension on the brake line. Next, you can easily remove the worn brake pads from the caliper bracket. Inspect these components for any unusual wear patterns. With the old parts removed, it's time to install your new brake components. First, place the new brake rotor onto the hub, ensuring it sits flush. Next, you'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its housing. A C-clamp or a dedicated piston compression tool works best for this. Finally, carefully insert the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, making sure they are seated correctly. To complete the job, carefully slide the caliper back over the new pads and rotor. Reinstall the two guide pin bolts, torquing them to 25 foot-pounds for proper security. Once the wheel is back on and the car is lowered, pump the brake pedal several times until you feel firm pressure. This ensures the pads are seated correctly. Also, make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to those and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.